You use your 2016 and newer Dodge Diesel for a lot of different things, but if there was a way to make it more comfortable to drive, reduce its turbo lag, and increase its power at the same time without having to modify anything, you'd probably have a hard time turning it down. Well, JMS has created something that does exactly that. PedalMAX is designed to change the way your electronic throttle body functions from the factory. Most newer cars you see driving down the road have electronically controlled throttle bodies, and your Dodge Diesel is no exception. PedalMAX reduces throttle lag that your truck has from the factory, it smooths the throttle engagement of your truck, and it also reduces turbo lag, which gives you more bottom end and mid-range power. Our truck picked up 13 horsepower and 25 pound-feet of torque in the mid-range of the power band. Because of the faster throttle response, you can enjoy some free horsepower in the lower RPMs all the way into the mid-range of your truck's power band. Installation of PedalMAX only takes a few minutes. Disconnect your negative battery terminal. Disconnect the accelerator pedal position sensor and connect PedalMAX between the sensor and the factory harness. Reconnect your negative battery terminal, and you're done. Now your Dodge Diesel is more fun to drive with less turbo lag thanks to PedalMAX.